to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. This is freshly washed hair. By the way, I did not put my hands in my eyes. I had to catch myself. It's just habit now, although my hands are clean. If you're new to this channel, welcome, subscribe, click that bell's notification, and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get straight into the issue. As mentioned, this is freshly washed hair. This is what my ends are looking like. They're struggling, they're straggly, and it's driving me absolutely nuts because every time I rub my hands through my hair, it get caught on to the stragglies. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to snip, snip, snip. Okay. Now, FYI, I am no professional. These locks I have, they are DIY. So, keep that in mind. So what I did was just move some of my hair out the way, and I'm going in with a pair of shears, no paper scissors, no food scissors, hair shears, and I'm going in and I'm cutting those straggly ends. I do apologize, you guys didn't see me do it at first, so I'm doing it again for you so that you're able to really see what it is that I'm doing. So basically at this point, because I've become lazy, I'm just rubbing my fingers through my hair, and as my fingers get caught onto the stragglies, I'm going in and I'm clipping those ends. So that's what you guys see me doing here. Let me tell you guys, the struggle has been absolutely real for me because I'm debating back and forth if I should even keep these locks. So anyway, let me show you guys exactly how much hair is being cut. So if this camera will focus, you'll really be able to see. There you go. So not much is being cut. I'm literally just cutting the ends as if you were cutting loose natural hair, straight hair, whatever. Just the ends are being snipped here. Okay, I just want to stress that. If you are unsure, please don't cut your hair the way that I'm cutting it. Do it in rolls or however you do it. That is a little bit more tactful than what I am doing here. Okay, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, checking me out, that information is down below for you to follow me. Anyway, you guys, here we are. I'm still cutting, and I don't think there's anything special about cutting hair. I'm sure there's an art to it, but again, I am no professional. I'm just doing the best I can. Okay, so please don't snap my head off. For some of those twist or locks that look like they've unraveled a bit, I've just gone back in and I've retwisted them. Also, I'm just kind of putting my fingers through my hair, trying to make sure I got all those stragglies. See? So again, this is all that has been cut. Not very much has been cut. When I gather all the hair together, it's not a whole lot.